Elephant, big and strong.
Zebra, black and white stripes.
Leon, king of the Coco.
Tiger, fast and fierce.
Monkey, jumps and plays.
Rabbit, soft and cute.
Dog, our best friend. Cat, soft and sweet.
Horse runs so fast.
Cow, gives us milk. Hen lays eggs. Yay! We learned all the animals. Great job, kids! Hey friends, Coppin, do you like fun songs, stories, and learning with me? So don't forget to click the subscribe button right here!